So today we're going to be folding a corrugated profile for a reception desk. Jimmy's going to get it set up. That's what our flat stock looks like, and this is ultimately what we're going to bend here. So it's a pretty unique machine to be able to make this many folds with only one roll. So the tables are set. This machine's 21 feet long. This particular product is 24 gauge Galvalume steel, but it'll run up to 16 gauge. The other cool part is we can run a couple 10-foot parts at a time if needed as well, but we got 21 feet of total length. These particular parts are about 44 inches long, so this is a pretty small length of a sheet for a part, but that's what the job requires. So as it's going in, it's clamping a hold of it, and you'll see it make a few bends. It's kind of a unique machine where it'll grab it like a traditional apron brake, but it bends from both sides of the sheet. So that's what eliminates a lot of the flips of the part, which is something extremely difficult, especially with a really long part. Although this one's short and would be easier to flip, you get a part that's upward of 15, 16 feet, it becomes real advantageous to be able to bend it from both sides of the sheet. So it's making a few of the forms from the first side of the sheet, and you can see how it's bending either side. Jimmy's having to support it just because this is actually a 48-inch blank development. So come out. This is the roll portion where he has to take it out. He'll hit the pedal again, and the trays come back out, and the stops reset where he can lay the part back on. He's going to lay the part back on, and now we're coming from the other side of the sheet. Away we go. So as this part's bending, we can watch as it's coming up. There's actually a simulation screen. You can actually watch what the machine's doing from the inside. You can see the clamping beam and the upper folding beam, lower folding beam. It's all fully computerized. So as it's making those forms in real time, we can see the simulation as it's pulling out. So some of the limitations of this machine, obviously the gauge thickness can go up to 16 gauge. Typically it's meant for lighter gauges, but we can handle some fairly heavy gauges. But you got to have at least 3/4 of an inch of material to grab onto from the end that's held inside the machine. And if we're doing a straight Z offset, which these ones are a little more trapezoidal shaped, it has to be at least 7/8 of an inch to have clearance for those folding beams. But can really do some unique profiles, copings, parapet caps, that sort of thing. And even a corrugated panel of custom nature, which would take a whole lot of flipping to do on conventional brake. But panel's done, a little over 3 minutes, 22 bends.